I just realized how many intricate little parts help us with everyday life.
I wonder how many steps goes into making one of these parts.
Maybe we can talk to our friends at Southco to tell us about the manufacturing process.
4 main phases that a product would go through. First, we want to define what the problem is that we're looking to solve with the product.
Start with our project management group, a project engineer, a design engineer, a sales rep, and they're going to work with the customer to come up with the solution to their problem.
Then you want to go through the design phase where you might come up with 3 or 4 different designs that could solve the problem that you clearly defined in the first phase, right? The next phase is testing.
As you can see here, we've got like 7 running now. The reason for that is just statistics. If you build one part and you test one part, you might get really lucky and it might go 1,000,000 cycles. But the second you build another one, you don't get lucky and it goes 50,000. So the requirements tell us how many we have to test to get confidence.
And then the 4th phase is going to be your final design concept. So it kind of just goes through those 4 stages. Sometimes there's a lot of iterations between defining the problem and designing the solution to the problem. And then there's always a lot of iterations with testing. Then you finally get to the final concept or production phase. So 4 main phases, many iterations throughout those 4 different phases.
I never realized how many steps it takes to make such an intricate part.
This is so cool.
I guess that's what's so cool about manufacturing.